been kicked by this experience. Error message. You have been kicked by this experience or its moderators. Moderation message, funny error, error code 267. This is a server-side kick, usually triggered by violation of game rules, using exploits, scripts, or suspicious behavior. Bad internet causing timeouts, admins devs kicking players manually. Ultimate fix guide, Roblox error code 267. Fix you have been kicked step by step. 1. Restart the game. Try a different server. Sometimes the kick is temporary or specific to one server instance. Leave the game and rejoin a different server. Use Roblox's Servers tab to pick another instance. Harsher. 2. Check for ban or kick reason. If the kick reason includes a message like funny error or a custom message, it was manually triggered by the developer or moderation bot. You may be auto-kicked for using suspicious tools, high ping, entering restricted zones. 3. Turn off exploits, scripts, or injectors. If you're using script runners, mods, FPS unlockers, or injectors, stop. Roblox automatically detects and kicks for any suspicious modification. Even if the error seems harmless, funny error, it's often anti-cheat protection. 4. Fix your network, laggy kick. Bad internet can also cause timeouts, which trigger error 267. Steps. Use wired internet if possible. Avoid VPNs or proxies. Flush DNS, ipconfig flush DNS. Restart your router and PC. 5. Use a different account if banned. If you're permanently banned from that specific game, try logging in with a different account or contact the game developer for an appeal. Some have Discord support. 6. Check game description rules. Many games auto-kick for rule violations like not having enough XP level, being underage for certain content, joining before your ban cooldown expires. Attention-grabbing CO title